Hello everyone, first of all, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this backdrop setting. Today I'm going to make the backdrop decoration like this with the material I have. Well, it's easy. Let's go. First of all, we need to set up our hula hoop. Completed, and I make some mistake on this part and this part. But anyway, we just need the hook. Then the next step, we need to tie our flower support wire onto the hook. The detail with the tape. The detail about how to tie the support wire to the hook. You can check my old tutorial. Right click here. I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Okay, look. I already tied the flower support wire onto the hula hoop. And again, if you want to know the detail and the tips about how to tie them together, click here to my old tutorial. Okay, then I will put the flower on the flower support wire. Okay, adding the flower head to our flower support wire. Look, there's a lot of spine on our flower support wire. So put the flower head onto the spine will be okay. Look. Also the leaf. Very simple. Okay, I will show you the effect after I put on all the flower and leaf on the hook. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the flower. For your information, the size of our hook is 1 meter in diameter. Okay, now let's check the effect when I put the flower wreath onto our backdrop. Okay, completed with the hook. I just hand it on the backdrop like this. You can use a straight, or you can use a straight and a hook. Tie it on the wreath and hook on the backdrop. That will be okay. Okay, let's check the detail. Our flowers and leaf. Different flowers, different color, and different leaf to make the flower wreath like this. Okay, then let's set up the pedestal and put on two sides of the backdrop. Okay, look, completed with the pedestal, and the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, the next step, we will make the flower and arrangement with our plastic bowl and put it on top of the pedestal. Now the container, you can use the glassware, but we will use our plastic stand. We have gold and silver color. Okay, let's make the flower arrangement. Put the container and put a floral foam on the container. There are some spikes here on our plastic stand so it can well hold the flower foam. Okay, the following will be very simple. Just put the flower head on a stand and insert on the flower foam. Will be okay. We also have some greeny. Since I already take a tutorial to show you how to make the flower arrangement, if you're interested, you can check my old tutorial. Okay, completed with our flower arrangement. Let's put it on the pedestal and check the effect. Okay, let's check the whole effect. Okay, look, the come out will be very pretty. Actually, in reality, it will be much more pretty than what you check the effect from the screen. And as per our inspirational picture, we need to add a lower pedestal and put it in front of the top pedestal. Since I don't have the sample of the lower pedestal, so I will use a stool by instead and make some smaller flower arrangement. Let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I add two softer flower arrangement on it. The come out actually not pretty, but the idea is good because I just use the stool by instead. In fact, we sell different size of the pedestal, 40 cm tall, 16 cm tall, and this 80 cm tall. Sometimes we sell 1 meter tall of the pedestal, but I only have the 80 cm tall of the pedestal like this on hand. If you are using all pedestal, the come out will be much more pretty and professional. But anyway, I don't have the sample I had, and I just try to show you my idea. And look, I'm using different color of the flower wax: black, white, silver, and gold. I already show you all the sample I have. Of course, we sell all the color, all size of pedestal and the flower. Also, if you place the order, we can supply them. And also, for the flower arrangement, if you make the flower ball much more larger, the come out will be much good. But that will need a lot of flower. Okay, let's check the detail again. Our flower wreath made with our flower support white and hook, and our flower arrangement, the pedestal. For your information, we supply all material used on our tutorial. Okay, this is the all effect. This is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.